Shashank. I'm the founder and CEO of Practo. Practo is a healthcare technology platform. We have a product called Practo.com, which helps consumers find doctors and book appointments with them. The journey so far has been fantastic. We've had a ball. For the last 4 years, we have been scaling up the business very efficiently. The last 7 years of the journey has been fabulous, and we are hopefully looking to build a company for a very long time. So I'm sure there's going to be a lot of fun over the next few decades building Practo. I think growth for any startup is like oxygen. It's the only thing that takes you forward. So one of the most important metrics that we track in our company are the growth metrics. That's about it. Every single quarter, every single month, the only thing that a startup has to do is continue to grow at a very fast pace. So growth is just essential for a startup to survive. I think PNgrowth is a great initiative. I do remember that when we were growing our startup, there were a lot of questions that we had on our mind that had really no answers. There were very few places we could look for answers, especially because we were building a company in India. Most of the material that was available online were relevant to developed markets, and hence there were very little knowledge about the local ecosystem and how to grow a company in India, for example. And that's where I think PNgrowth will be very valuable. There are very good insights now on how to scale up a startup in India. Knowing the challenges and obstacles that one can face in India in specific, PNgrowth can be very handy there, and it will help startups navigate through the painful process of scaling up the startup. I definitely feel that if PNgrowth was there earlier on when we were starting off, we would have definitely avoided many mistakes. We would have avoided very simple things that today is common knowledge. For example, I remember that for one important place where we took some time to get to were how to build our review systems. We were scaling up fast, but it was very difficult to get everyone coordinated. Communication was a challenge, and the review system was a mess. This is where it took us some time to figure things out on how the right review systems can really enable the flow of information and getting everyone aligned on a common vision and on a common on common goals. That's where we could have saved a lot of time. Like these, there were many things that we could have done right when we were growing up. I believe that PNgrowth, if it was a few years back, would have definitely helped us grow our startup faster. Now that it's here, I'm hoping that startups will take advantage of it. So the world, I think, in 10-15 years will have many category leaders from India. There will be Indian companies which will build products that the rest of the world will use. One step in that direction is PNgrowth. PNgrowth will help accumulate all the knowledge that the Indian startup ecosystem has and knowledge from outside, and help get all this information to startups in India to be able to build products that can really scale and serve the world. And I'm very happy to endorse PNgrowth as a potential vitalizer for all the Indian startups. I will be there at the PNgrowth camp, and I look forward to meeting you there.